understand ukuthi into yomoya ihambisana kakhulu ne-energy, and i-energy is not only about ama-ancestors lawa as-affectayo ngama-energies wawo bese kuphazamiseka iy'mpilo zethu. I-energy is about everything else ekhona kwi-universe, because thina njengoba in the energy forms, we are spiritual beings occupying these bodies, but we are i-energy eyi-spirit thina. There is a whole lot of other things as i-energy emhlabeni, kahle kahle yonke into nje kwi-universe is energy. Kunama-celestial beings nawo as-affectayo nge-energy yawo. So when you look at your problems obhekene nawo, you need to understand ukuthi ama-problems akwenza ufile a certain way. Those feelings and emotions are as a result of a shift ebakhona kwi-universe. Wena bese ubona le problem obhekene nayo la phambi kwakho manje, uthole usehlamba umuntu usukume ngoba ubona ukuthi unenkinga yemali, xoshe emsebenzini, uxabane nabantu, uyazizwa ukuthi no man, I am vibrating very low manje because of my problems, but engiyibonayo manje engiphethe ngezandla inkinga yokuthi ngilahlekelwe umsebenzi or ngilahlekelwe umuntu wami engimthandayo. So all of these problems stem from a whole lot of other things ezenziwa i-change kwi-energy, le energy ekwi-universe. Doesn't matter ukuthi